noon. So we're getting ready to work on the land. We had to do some rice field preparation. And we were connecting the submersible and discovered they cut the cable. Bad elements went and cut the cable. So my job is to add a connector to the cable. The bad elements were kind enough to leave some cable for me to connect a connector. Nice of them. So here in the Philippines, sadly you have to protect your assets. I guess it's the same everywhere. However, there's always a but, isn't it? However, even more so that one has to work at protecting your asset in a way that the bad elements would have a hard time getting at your assets. So I'm not upset. Sad. My own countrymen have a behavior that just make people sad. Not just me, other people too. These bad elements take diesel engines, long cables, whatever they can take away. So now we have to do things a little different. For example, the generator, we have to bring them home every night so that they are safely at home. You can't leave them at night. These bad elements likes dark. Darkness is their preferential method of taking. So what did these bad elements took? They took that connector that was here. They took that cable, the connector. There used to be about 3-4 meters. If you remember from my old cable video. And of course, bad elements took the hose. So what to do? What can we do to make it harder for the bad elements to stop their bad behavior? So as a farmer, you have to spend funds to protect your assets. Life is difficult enough already, but bad elements make life even more harder. I wish these bad elements well. I hope that they stay healthy, alive, that they learn something. This is life. So my message to the bad element, you can go around taking things that you don't own. Just enjoy it. And I hope you stop, but if you don't, that's okay too. I mean, someday you will pay for it. Well, after cleaning the insulator, The copper are really coppery. I'm happy to see it's not black. There's hope for this submer. However, thinking next year I really have to replace the cable. I really want to know what's down there. Black cable means problem. So it looks really good. It's still color copper. When interconnecting things, it's good to have few rules. Then it'll be when you're inserting it into the conductor, having it stranded in here is no good. No proper contact. So this is basically for proper contact. Well, it's fixed, connected. Well, let's see how this goes. You gotta deal with this kind of situation, bad elements or otherwise. There's bad elements everywhere. These people really don't have any mercy or kindness in their heart. It's hard enough already with the rising cost of diesel and fertilizer. You know, I get the fact that the rising cost of food and things, and they may not have funds. There are people that will help, and the government do help people like this who are desperate for food. I mean, right now with the typhoon and things, a really difficult time for everybody. You know, don't mind employing these people if they ask to be employed. Say, yeah, look, need to be employed. Probably seek help from the town. Anyway. So another group of bad elements. There's two groups or multiple groups of bad elements going around the village taking things. They recently took the pump here. They left some stuff like that, but basically took the pump. And now I have to replace the taken stuff. I really don't want to say the word thief. However, sometimes you're forced to say it. And they took the stuff. They're thieves, these bad elements. So now we have to be more mindful of our assets.